here, this is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. Very easy to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. So as you can see, you can pretty much see matches that have been played. That's going to be played today for different types of leagues, but as you can see at the top, you can see World Cup is pretty much going on, and you can see the matches that's going to be played and teams that are going to be played against and so forth. And as well, you can see in the live section matches that's going to be played, and as well you can see the matches score and pretty much everything as it relates to that. As you can see how much they have scored. If I do tap on this match here, as you can see this team is pretty much won and pretty much who scored. Nothing much for that. You can scroll and see other live matches. And as you can see as well, these are different leagues. These are not World Cup or anything like that. These are different leagues. So the tomorrow option as well, you can see teams that will be playing tomorrow for the World Cup. As you can see here, tomorrow Saturday, and you can pretty much scroll and see other leagues as well, not just the World Cup. You can go ahead and see other leagues. So to get the predictions or to see which team might maybe win using their AI feature, you have to tap on in one of these leagues or features, or you see this section here. So once you do tap on, let's say for that example, it will give you a quick breakdown on possibility of which team may win, how much corners and so forth. So I won't be able to show you guys that section because you're gonna need a subscription. I haven't get a subscription, and they do offer a monthly subscription, as you can see here, for let's say it's $6 USD. As you can see here, it's for $5.99 USD, and the yearly subscription is for $40 USD. So that's really pretty much it, and very easy to use and nothing hard for you to not understand. And as well, down here you have the live option at the hot section, which pretty much gives you updates as it relates to the football, basically football. So no other sports than football, no tennis or anything like that, straight football. So as you can see here, it gives you update as it relates to football. And as well, we do have the whistle button or the whistle feature here, which does give you update as well. So that's really pretty much it for the application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.